MDC-T fires Khupe, seeks divine guidance. MDC-T Deputy President, Thokozani Khupe, pictured, has been officially fired from the party for partaking in unconstitutional activities, putting the party into disrepute and undermining the constitutional organs of the party. Khupe was fired together with organizing secretary, Ibn Kobab, and suspended MDC-T spokesperson, Dlathu, as the party also introduced prayer sessions at Harvest House every Monday and Friday until the elections. In a statement after the party's National Council meeting yesterday, Deputy National Chairman, Connie said Khupe spurned negotiation efforts by party leader, Nelson Chamisa, and opted to remain stubborn, obdurate and intransigent. On VP Khupe, the National Council noted the efforts for engagement made by the party president and the fact that VP Khupe remained stubborn, obdurate, and intransigent and spurned all party efforts to address her grievances, as she continued to hold illegal meetings and partake in unconstitutional activities, putting the party into disrepute and undermining the constitutional organs of the party, he said. The National Council, therefore, resolved, by more than the mandatory two-thirds of the vote, that VP Khupe be removed from the party in terms of the party's constitution. Connie added, the National Council, by the more than the mandatory two-thirds of the vote, resolved to remove him, Beb, from the party on allegations of his unconstitutional behavior and for continuously putting the party into disrepute. The National Council resolved, by a unanimous vote, to expel suspended party spokesperson Dlathu. The National Council further resolved to recall Khupe and Beb from Parliament with immediate effect. The party also resolved to communicate the latest developments to Parliament, Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, the diplomatic community and civic organizations. The National Council formally accepted the resignation from the party by the national chairman, Mr. Lovemorndo Donamoyo, which he has tendered to the leadership. The council wished him well in all his future endeavors, Connie said. Khupe and Chamisa have been haggling over the leadership of the party following the death of party leader, Thokozani Khupe, last month. Khupe refused to recognize Chamisa after he was endorsed by the National Council, arguing she was next in line, as the only deputy elected at Congress. The succession battles turned violent, while Chamisa and Khupe addressed parallel rallies. The National Council also received all applications and CVs from the provinces and districts from candidates intending to represent the party in council and parliamentary elections due this year. The National Council resolved that intercession prayers for the party leadership and all the people of Zimbabwe be held at the party's headquarters, at Thokozani House, Harvest House, and at every party provincial office every Monday and Friday until after the elections. However, Khupe has reportedly already written to the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission informing the electoral body that she was the leader of the party and would participate in the forthcoming elections.